While the charges against Julian Assange focus on the technicalities of obtaining and publishing classified information, troubling questions emerge about the selective nature of his prosecution. Individuals and institutions implicated in wrongdoing revealed by the WikiLeaks disclosures have largely evaded legal accountability, while the whistleblower himself faces relentless legal jeopardy. This disparity raises the specter of politically motivated prosecution designed to intimidate future whistleblowers and silence those who would expose government malfeasance. A glaring inconsistency necessitates examination. Those who committed the crimes, military personnel directly involved in the civilian killings exposed in the collateral murder video, or officials who engaged in the cover-up of such actions, have not faced charges commensurate with their potential crimes. Architects of unlawful policies, high-level government figures who authorized policies leading to human rights abuses, illegal acts of war, or those who knowingly misled the public, have not been held accountable through the judicial system. Powerful institutions, private corporations, particularly those operating within the military-industrial complex, implicated in profiteering from wars or questionable practices laid bare by the leaks, have largely escaped scrutiny. This contrast is stark. Those who committed acts of potential criminality are shielded from prosecution, while the individual who facilitated exposure of those acts is relentlessly pursued. Selective prosecution, by its very nature, undermines the principles of equal justice under the law. When the act of exposing wrongdoing is punished more severely than the wrongdoing itself, a grave disservice is done not only to the targeted individual, but to the integrity of the judicial system. Key concerns include chilling effect on whistleblowing. If whistleblowers are prosecuted while wrongdoers go unpunished, it sends a strong deterrent signal to anyone considering revealing uncomfortable truths about those in power, emboldening unchecked power. When governments can selectively pursue those who criticize or expose them, it creates an environment ripe for abuse, corruption, and lack of transparency. Public trust erosion. The failure to prosecute those implicated in leaks, while vigorously pursuing the publisher, erodes the public's trust in the very institutions claiming to uphold justice. While the technicalities of the charges against Assange are complex, the selective prosecution argument raises the case above mere legal minutiae. It highlights the broader battle for press freedom, government accountability, and the very notion of holding the powerful to the same standard as ordinary citizens. Absolving Julian Assange necessitates not only proving his actions did not violate the Espionage Act, but also shining a harsh light on the potential ulterior motives behind the relentless attempt to convict him.